Hey guys, and welcome to another Call of Duty Mobile video. Today I have a glitch that helps you level up, rank up and get skins easily. I have been doing it myself and it does work perfectly, especially on the weekends. The best part of it's that it can be done just by leaving the phone on the side. So most of you might have noticed that since the new update, Call of Duty offers double XP basically nearly every weekend, which is pretty cool and the best time to grind ranking levels. This method will be getting you just over 3000 XPs or over 9000 if it's on double XP every 15 minutes. It's very simple, so with no further ado, let's just get to it. All you have to do is select Battle Royale mode, let it load up. Once you're on the game, you will be looking for the tallest building on the map. Land it in there and just hang around for about 15 minutes and most likely no one will be able to find you, so you'll be able to put your phone and walk away and come back to collect your XPs and easily rank you up. So you keep on doing this, you don't have to worry about getting kicked out of the game because it doesn't happen like it happens on multiplayer mode. So guys, that's it for today. It is very simple. There is no kickbacks to it. It's just time saving. If you got work to do, homework or busy doing other things, this is the best way to grind up. Just leave the game on. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe. Cheers. Bye.